The WEGOODLDER Mini MMA Welder 250 amp arc is equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology, providing excellent arc welding performance suitable for various metals including carbon and stainless steel. With a current adjustment range from 20 to 250 amperes and a user-friendly LCD digital display, even beginners can achieve precise welding results. Its compact size and lightweight design, complemented by an adjustable shoulder strap, make it highly portable for both indoor and outdoor welding tasks. The welder features built-in functions such as anti-stick, dig arc force, and hot start, enhancing welding efficiency and reducing spatter while ensuring user safety. Constructed with high-quality ABS material, the dual-voltage input design offers flexibility and durability, making it ideal for home DIY projects and general repairs. The machine supports 110 and 220 volts, providing versatility for different power sources, although a separate adapter cord is required for 220 volts use.